In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the same Telegram account on two devices, quickly and safely, without losing access to your chats. This is a super useful trick if you want to use Telegram on your phone and also stay connected on your PC or laptop at the same time. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're already logged into your Telegram account on your mobile phone. This is important because your phone will be used to approve the second device. Once you're signed in on mobile, go ahead and move to your computer. Now on your PC, you have two options. You can either download and open the Telegram desktop app, or you can open Telegram web in your browser. Both options work well, so choose whichever one is easier for you. Once the app or web page loads, you'll see a QR code appear on the screen. This QR code is what connects your phone to the second device. Next, pick up your mobile phone and open the Telegram app. From there, go to Settings. Inside Settings, tap on Privacy and Security, then look for Devices. On some versions, you may see an option like Add Device to your account. After that, tap the option to add a device if needed, and then use your phone's camera to scan the QR code displayed on your PC screen. Make sure the QR code is clearly visible and your phone is pointed directly at it. As soon as the code is scanned, Telegram will instantly log you in on the second device. And that's it. You're now using the same Telegram account on two devices at the same time. You can keep chatting on your phone while also checking messages, media and files from your desktop or browser. It's fast, simple, and very convenient if you work across multiple devices every day. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick guides and helpful app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.